Hello everyone. This video will guide you on how to send emails and set notifications in Canvas. These features are essential for maintaining communication and staying updated with your courses. Let's get started. Sending emails in Canvas. Once you're logged into Canvas, find the inbox on the dashboard or the global menu. This is where you can communicate directly with your professors and classmates. Click on Inbox. To compose a new message, click on Compose New Message. Select the course related to your message. Choose the recipient by typing their name into the To field. You can send messages to individual classmates, groups, or course instructors. Write your message and, if needed, attach any files. Once you're done, hit Send. It's that simple. Setting notifications in Canvas. Next, let's set up your notifications to ensure you never miss important updates or deadlines. Go to Account on the left-hand navigation panel. Click on Notifications. Here, you can customize how and when you receive notifications for each course. You can set preferences for course activities, announcements, assignment due dates, and more. It's a good idea to keep the notification for announcements turned on, as this will inform you about important notices from your instructors. Adjust the settings according to your preference for each notification type, whether you'd like to receive them right away, as a daily summary, weekly summary, or not at all. That's all for our Canvas tutorial. We hope this video makes it easier for you to navigate and use Canvas effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the Department of Distance Education. Thank you for watching.